Today I am testing a gadget that says it can find anything you lose. Your bag, your wallet, keys and even anything you lose. This is the MiLi MiTag, a smart finder. Inside the box, we get the tracker, a keyring, and a manual. That's it. It's small, lightweight, and looks like a button. Pretty cool, right? Okay, to make this work, you need an Android phone with Find My Device. Open the app, press the MiLi tag button until it blinks, and boom, it's connected to your phone. So here is why this thing is awesome. It's tiny, works with Android, and the battery is rechargeable, and this is very cheap compared to other trackers like AirTag. This is tiny, and if would you like to use this in your daily life, comment down below right now, and if this video hits 1k like, I will test it with my iPhone 16 Pro Max or my Canon 90D camera and see that it can find it or not. And thanks for watching.